Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left corner and pick this button so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here we have to slide down and focus on the general settings, and at the first position here we have save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery. Now let's tap on the center and move here to the right corner at the bottom. Here we have to pick the details, and at the last position we can check the location with the full address. Also when we tap on it, we get quick access to the Google Maps and we can check our location at the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.